See, it is natural. It is natural because I have friends all across. I have friends all across different political parties, and whether within the state or outside the state, we have known each other for a long time. And I have had the privilege of knowing many people. So it is a natural thing. But then, what is important is to see that to whichever party we belong to, we first try to strengthen that party. And the purpose of strengthening that party is to ensure that that party is capable of providing us the platform, a platform with a strong foundation to be able to do justice to the responsibility that we assume upon ourselves as elected representatives. And therefore, the whole purpose of being in a political party revolves around, taking care of the interests of the people. And anything that handicaps us, we must address them.